Welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing, business development, content, social, and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers in mid to large size law firms. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? Today we're going to talk about the wrong time to show up for your clients, or the time that really is best for your clients. It happens so often that the only time we hear from our service providers is right before they need something from us. Let me explain. It might be servers in a restaurant who smile for the first time as they deliver the check. That happened to us last weekend. I thought, well, maybe they're having a bad day because they didn't smile the entire time. Both of us tried to smile at her and we didn't get any response until she brought the check. And then she was full of smiles. And that's happened before, and it often leaves me feeling a little cold because that's really not the best time to show up for her customer. Or online marketers who suddenly appear just before they sell their online courses. I have bought a number of online courses in the past, 8 years really. And what has happened is that a lot of them, and I'm not poking fun at online marketers because I am in the midst of turning my education that I usually provide for lawyers and legal marketers into online courses. So I am one of those online marketers too, if you will. Although that's just a little bit more of an abrupt name for what I'm doing. But I've noticed in the groups that they form for these courses that sometimes we don't hear from them until just before they're getting ready to launch or relaunch a course. And it's the same thing. It leaves me a little cold. It says, it's sending the message, you know what, I don't care about you in between launches because you've already spent your money with me, but I care about you now because I'm getting ready to ask you to buy something else from me. That may not be their motivation, that may not be what they're really thinking, but that's the way it feels. And it's also what I don't want you to do right before your invoices go out. I don't want that to be a time when your clients hear from you when they haven't heard from you in a long time. There are so many opportunities you and I have to stay in touch with our clients in those in-between moments, as I like to call them, so that when the invoices do come, it's not here's an invoice again. Gosh, what a coincidence. John just called me last week. And again, I don't want you to leave people feeling cold like the situations I've described to you just a moment ago. What I want you to do is to be there on a regular basis. If you have to schedule it in your calendar, do that. Or if you need somebody to be your reminder to email you at regular intervals to contact a client just to check in, ask somebody to help you do that. Trust me, they will not realize that you did that on the 4th of every month. People don't check their calendars like that whenever you call or contact them. They're too busy. Or just show up for more than a sale or more often than just when you need revenue or you need to get your billing completed for that quarter. It's transparent when you do otherwise. It's transparent when you're only contacting them at that time when you're getting ready to send a bill or deliver a bill. I want you to be the one. Be the one that is there on a regular basis. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this topic. If you're listening on a platform where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. If not, you can also email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. That's MYRLAND marketing.com. Plus, you can always find me on my blog at myrlandmarketing.com. Also, if you are connected to the legal profession, I invite you to join my Facebook group, which you can find by searching Facebook for Social Media for Lawyers and Legal Marketers with Nancy Myrland. It's easy to find. When you do, let me know this is how you found out about the group. Thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few with me. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.